Okay, so you want to start a YouTube channel.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah. You gave us a bunch of stuff from PML Motivational to like get started.
Very.
And we're going to go through it all and
Yeah.
see what we can learn.
Extract those golden nuggets about how to make your channel successful.
So we're going to talk about
yeah.
understanding YouTube as a platform.
Okay.
Creating content. Growing your audience.
Yep.
Even how to make some money.
All right, let's get into it.
Through your videos.
So YouTube, it's changed a lot, right?
Yeah.
It's evolved.
Like back in the day.
From funny cat videos to people building entire careers.
Yeah, now people are like quitting their jobs because they have a YouTube channel.
It's pretty amazing.
So what is YouTube?
What is it?
Why is it such a big deal?
Well, YouTube is this massive online video sharing platform with like over 2.5 billion active users every month.
Oh.
I mean, that's like a third of the entire planet.
A third of the planet?
Pretty much. Turning in every single month.
That's wild.
But it's not just about entertainment anymore.
No. I feel like I've learned a lot of stuff on YouTube.
Like what kind of stuff?
From like, you know, how-to videos.
Okay.
Like how to fix my leaky faucet, how to code, like all kinds of stuff.
All sorts of things.
I feel like it's a place where I go to learn stuff.
Exactly. And studies have actually shown that educational content is one of the fastest growing categories on YouTube.
Wow.
So people are going there for information, to learn new skills, and even for like professional development.
So it's like a global classroom.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's get into starting a channel.
Okay.
The source material says, like picking a niche is really important.
It is.
Why is that?
Well, think about it this way. If you walk into a grocery store and it has thousands of items and no organization.
Oh my gosh.
It's going to be really overwhelming.
Yeah, this sounds terrible.
And it's kind of the same with YouTube.
Right.
There's so much content out there. So having a niche helps you stand out in that vast YouTube landscape.
So it's basically like you're focusing your content on a specific topic.
Or audience.
Okay.
And that makes it easier for people who are interested in that topic to actually find you.
So picking a niche.
Yeah.
Really important.
Super important.
What are some like pitfalls that people fall into when they're choosing a niche?
Well, I think one common mistake is being too broad. So saying you're going to do like a lifestyle channel or just vlogging, that can be really hard to stand out because there's already so many people doing that.
Yeah, already so much content.
Exactly. And another thing is chasing trends without having any real passion for it.
Yeah.
So like if you're not genuinely excited about the content you're creating, it's going to show.
Yeah, it's going to be boring.
And viewers can tell your enthusiasm is really what keeps viewers engaged.
Okay, so passion needs audience.
Right.
Okay, cool.
So once you've figured out your niche, you got to create a channel.
Okay, so how do you do that?
Well, it's actually super easy to get started.
Oh, okay.
You just need a Google account.
Okay.
And then from there, you can set up your channel.
Yeah.
You can give it a catchy name, an eye-catching profile picture, and like a banner image.
Okay.
That reflects the kind of content you're going to make.
Yeah, I've noticed that even like the channel descriptions
are
super important.
They are.
That's like your chance to tell people what you're all about.
It's like an elevator pitch for your channel.
Yeah.
So you want to use keywords that people might be searching for and highlight what makes your content unique.
Cool. Okay, so now for the content itself.
All right.
This source material says content is king.
Content is king.
Which is true. But I've seen some pretty low-quality videos.
I know, right?
That have millions of views.
I know. It's crazy.
So how does that happen?
Yeah, it's true that sometimes like viral trends can kind of defy your logic.
Totally.
But for long-term success, quality actually does matter.
Okay.
So content is king.
Yeah.
But it means providing value to your viewers, whether that's through entertainment, education, information, or some combination of all three.
So like, what does quality look like when we're talking about video?
It's about having clear audio, decent visuals, and well-edited videos that get to the point. You don't want to ramble on and on.
No one wants to watch a 30-minute video.
Right.
When it could be 5.
And you don't need a fancy studio or anything.
Oh, really?
Like, you can just use your smartphone.
Oh, wow.
If you have good lighting and some basic editing skills.
So, say you make this amazing video.
Okay.
How do people find it?
Well, that's where understanding your niche comes in.
Okay.
And promoting your videos in the right places.
Okay.
So think about where your target audience hangs out online.
All right.
Are they on certain social media platform?
Okay, so like share it on...
Share it on the right platform.
Yeah, okay.
And engage with comments
Okay.
on your videos and on other channels in your niche. You can even collaborate with other creators.
Okay, cool.
These things can make a big difference.
I've also heard that consistency is key.
Consistency is super important. It builds trust with your audience.
Okay.
When they know when to expect new content from you, they're more likely to come back for more.
It's like your favorite TV show.
Exactly.
Like, you know, it's going to be there every week.
You tune in every week?
Same time.
Yeah.
Okay, so the elephant in the room.
Okay.
Making money on YouTube.
Let's talk about it.
So this source material says you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours
to be eligible.
To be eligible for monetization.
For monetization.
Yeah.
Can you break that down for me?
Sure. So 4,000 watch hours is the equivalent of one person watching your content nonstop.
Wow.
For 6 months straight.
6 months straight.
Yeah.
That's wild.
It's a big milestone.
Yeah.
That shows you built a dedicated audience.
Yeah.
People who don't just subscribe.
Yeah.
But they actually watch your videos.
They're engaged.
Right.
So it's not just about getting them to...
Click that button.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button.
Click the button.
But you actually want them to watch.
Yeah, to be engaged and watch.
Yes.
Cool. And so ads are one way to make money.
Yeah.
But what are some other options?
Well, as your channel grows, you can also explore things like
brand partnerships.
Okay.
Merchandise.
Like t-shirts and stuff.
Yeah, cool.
Fan memberships. So there's a lot of different options.
The possibilities expand.
Yes, they do.
So to wrap things up,
we
learned that YouTube is more than just a
video platform.
Yeah, it's a place to learn,
connect,
and potentially
make a living.
Yeah. We talked about choosing a niche.
Right.
Creating quality content consistently.
Yeah.
And understanding the growth process.
Yep.
Including
there's monetization milestones.
Those monetization milestones. That was a lot of information.
It was a lot.
But it's really exciting.
It is.
Anyone with a camera.
And a story to tell.
Yeah.
Can potentially find an audience on YouTube.
Yeah. That's what I love about it.
Me too.
Like anyone can do it.
Yeah.
You just have to put in the work.
The work. Yeah.
So as you embark on your YouTube journey,
think about what unique value you can bring to the platform.
What story do you want to tell?
Yeah. What do you want to tell the world?
What knowledge or skills do you have that you want to share?
Yeah, like what do you
got that no one else has?
Yeah.
There's a whole community out there waiting to connect with you.
That's really cool.
It is.
Okay. So that's it for today's deep dive.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.